Hello guys, today our topic is how to earn money in Facebook. So let's start. How many views do you need to get paid on Facebook? You still need to meet 1 minute view requirement for ad break, which is great option if you have a short engaging video around 3 to 4 minutes. It's in length attractively. You may be able to qualify for monetization if you are total 180 uh, views across all our video of 19. Can I earn money from Facebook? Monetization eligibility requirement apply to any Facebook tools that allow you make money from your content. To check your status and learn how to use your monetization tool, go to Facebook section of Creator Studio, select monetization tab, then click overview. How do I start making money on Facebook? Write Facebook post. If you just want to sell to your current Facebook friends, you can write post. Join local buy and sell groups, sell on Facebook marketplace, earn refer friend bonus, create Facebook ads, enter contest, invest on Facebook, host founder fundraiser. Do Facebook pay you for views? Facebook will start to paying some videos creator for uploading their clips to their platform. Video that keep people watching for longer will earn a greater share of revenue from the ads. With Facebook keep 47% for itself. Facebook say its user clock up billion videos views daily. How do I know if Facebook page is eligible for monetization? Check your monetization eligibility. Go to creator, click monetization policy issue in menu on left hand side. Review page monetization. How to check your eligibility? Facebook. How to turn on my Facebook like into money? Enter contest and giveaways. Join online garage sale groups. Resell item from online garage sale groups. Join buy sell trade Facebook group. Resell your item from buy sell trade Facebook groups. Start your own profitable group. Find freelancer job. Does Facebook pay for likes? Let me tell you clearly, Facebook does not pay for like or shares of a post. People create Facebook page and they want to make their Facebook page popular. In order to do some, folks play dirty internet tricks and they make such a fake post on their Facebook page. Can I sell my Facebook like? You can even become a reseller of Facebook like, comment and share, finding out cheap source of like, comment and share and selling them, and higher price selling like, comment and shares used big business few years back, but now brands have become aware of shortcoming of getting such a audience. WhatsApp WhatsApp can real money. 80 best apps that pay you real money. I love Fitch Reward, Kashi Kick, Mitspay app option outside. So guys, today video, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, like the bell icon, like the video and click the bell icon and subscribe my channel if you want to more videos. So keep subscribe my channel. So goodbye, take yourself, goodbye.